What's up everybody? Today we got some more parts in for the D16Y8 build. All three of these boxes here are from Real Street Performance. So this is some of the last stuff I need after what's in these three boxes. All we're missing is a couple little things here and there, and then the machine work. And then we're ready for assembly and to put it all together. So let's go ahead and see what's in these boxes. So all we have here is the cam gear. I was going to get the AEM True Time, but it's on back order. They said it's going to be 5 or 6 weeks. We went ahead and went with this one. So it looks to be pretty good overall. We'll see how it does. I might still go ahead and put in an order for the AEM and swap it out for that one in the future. I don't know, we'll see how this one is. This one right here, we've got our valves. Intake valves here. And our exhaust valves. These are the 5000 series. Here we've got our seals and our valve locks. Bunch of stickers. Keychain. Our last thing in here is the block card. This one's a Super Tech. So I know block cards, like some people like them, some people hate them. I've never read one, so we'll try it out. This card's not really going to be like a daily or anything, so I don't really see any reason for any overheating issues. It really shouldn't matter on this car. Last box here. All I got in this box is a head gasket. So that was all the stuff from Real Street. I've still got some random gaskets, an oil pump, a couple of little things here and there to get. But for the most part, I've got about everything that I need. So a couple more things to buy and then we'll get to going on this project. So this will probably be the last you see about this engine build until I have the rest of the parts and we're ready to go to the machine shop. So if you want to follow along with this build and see other random Civic stuff also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But thanks for watching. That's going to be all for this one. We'll see you next time for another one.